Today we're working with compound words. Compound words is a word that has two smaller words inside of it. So my two smaller words are words that might not have to do anything with the compound word, but when we put them together it makes a new word. So if I have my compound word here, butter and fly, if I put those together it makes a new word called butterfly. So I'm going to double click on the question mark down here, and then I'm going to type my new compound word, butterfly. Now compound words do not have any spaces between the little words in there because it's two words stuck together. And you can make sure that you're spelling it correctly by looking at the words that are given. So let's do one more. I have snow for my first one and man for my second one. So put that together and that makes the new compound word of snowman. So I'm going to look at my resource up here to make sure I'm spelling it right. And I just made the word snowman. When you're all done with your practicing, last one will be sunglasses, you may turn it in to your teacher.